So let's talk it about. We got purple onion, we got bay leaf, we got ginger, and we got some cloves inside of it. All right, guys. Now, what I would do, all right, remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon. All right, let's put that aside. What you want to do, take your time and pour out that beautiful tea. We're not going to strain it this time. All right, we're going to get some of that benefit from the ginger, all of them stuff there. All right, once you do that, then we're going to get some honey right here and put it straight inside of it and give that a mix. All right, and you want to drink this if you live in Canada, if you live in the cold country, if you live in Jamaica, if you live in Philippines, any part of the world you live, you can drink this. All right, but that's what I'm talking about. With 1 cup of water, purple onion. Look at that. All right, be a goody in the spot. Christmas emergency recipe, this, guys, because the weather is very cold. All right, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. A good vibes in the kitchen once again.